Work-from-home opportunities are available across a diverse range of fields and interests, allowing individuals to earn money without leaving their homes. If you're looking for a work-from-home opportunity, consider the following options. Room rentals. If you have spare rooms or basements, you can rent them out on popular platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. This option requires minimal effort and can generate passive income. However, it is essential to manage your property and ensure guests have a positive experience. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject or are skilled in tutoring, you can offer your services online. You can utilize online tutoring websites or social media platforms for advertising. This option provides flexibility and allows you to set your schedule and rates. Virtual assisting. Provide administrative support remotely to clients by managing their emails, scheduling appointments, or organizing their files. Opportunities can be found through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites. Freelance writing. Create content for various purposes such as websites, blogs, or advertisements. Cater to different types of clients with specialized or broad writing services. This option requires creativity and strong communication skills. Transcribing. Convert speech to text with excellent attention to detail. Paid per audio hour. This option offers flexibility but may require transcribing less interesting topics. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses, engaging with followers and creating content. Proficiency in various social media platforms is necessary. Online surveys. Earn extra money by providing feedback through online survey websites. While not highly lucrative, this option offers flexibility. In-home daycare. Offer childcare services from home, potentially attracting a steady client base. Pricing is usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. Blogging. Monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. This option requires time to build a loyal following but can generate passive income. Dropshipping. Sell products without inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers. Profit from price differences between retail and wholesale. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Content can include text, videos, quizzes, etc., catering to specific skills or expertise. Online photo sales. Sell professional quality photographs to stock photo websites. Provide visuals for marketing materials and earn money. Pet sitting. Offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need. Consider your living situation and insurance before offering services. Selling homemade crafts and art. Sell homemade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. Transition to your own website once established. Graphic design. Provide graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits. Showcase skills with a variety of work samples and charge flat or hourly rates. Proofreading. Correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts. Market skills through social media or proofreading websites, potentially requiring tests before hiring. These work-from-home opportunities are diverse and cater to different interests and skill sets. Research each option thoroughly and choose the one that best suits your preferences and abilities. Remember that success often requires effort, dedication, and patience. With hard work, you can turn your work-from-home opportunity into a lucrative and fulfilling career.